Healthy legs need more than exercise. The foods you eat every day support circulation and muscle strength. For example, foods like eggs, fish, beans, and leafy greens provide protein and essential nutrients that help maintain lean muscle in your legs.
Blood vessels are not rigid tubes. They actively adjust their diameter. This adjustment depends on the endothelium. The endothelium lines the inside of blood vessels. These cells produce nitric oxide. Nitric oxide relaxes smooth muscle in vessel walls. Relaxation allows vessels to widen. Wider vessels improve blood flow. Reduced nitric oxide limits dilation. Narrower vessels increase resistance. Increased resistance reduces circulation efficiency. The lower legs are sensitive to reduced flow. Microcirculation supplies oxygen to muscle fibers. Impaired dilation reduces microcirculation. Subtle flow reduction may cause heaviness. Diet influences nitric oxide production. Leafy greens contain natural nitrates. Nitrates convert into nitric oxide in the body. Oral bacteria assist this conversion. Reduced intake lowers nitric oxide availability. Aging also reduces endothelial efficiency. Oxidative stress damages endothelial cells. Damaged cells produce less nitric oxide. Chronic low production stiffens vessels. Stiff vessels resist expansion. Reduced expansion limits blood delivery. Oxygen delivery becomes less efficient. Mild fatigue may appear in the legs. Nitric oxide also prevents platelet overactivation. Reduced nitric oxide increases vascular friction. Balanced nutrition supports endothelial repair. Antioxidants protect vessel lining. Nitrate-rich vegetables restore nitric oxide pathway. Improved dilation reduces vascular resistance. Lower resistance improves perfusion. Better perfusion supports endurance. Enhanced flow reduces evening heaviness. Healthy vessels respond dynamically to movement. Movement further stimulates nitric oxide release. Diet and movement work together. Small dietary shifts improve vessel function. Endothelial health protects long-term circulation. Subtle stiffness can develop silently. Addressing nitric oxide balance restores flexibility. Protecting your legs includes supporting vascular signaling through nutrition.